Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video, I'm gonna explain to you the difference between pygame.display.update and pygame.display.flip. So, let's get started. So, if you've watched some of my tutorials, you've seen that I often alternate between pygame.display.flip and pygame.display.update. And so when I provide the explanation for what I do, I say both of these just update the screen. But since they both update the screen, what makes them different from each other? You know what I mean? Let's talk about that. So, pygame.display.flip updates the contents of the entire display. So your screen that you have, right? Your Pygame screen, it updates the entire thing. However, pygame.display.update will update a portion of the screen instead of the entire area of the screen. However, if you don't pass any arguments into pygame.display.update, it's the exact same thing as pygame.display.flip. It updates the entire screen. But if you pass in arguments, it tells Pygame what portions of the screen it should update. And then you can pass in a pygame.rect object, and you can pass that to the display.update function, and then it will update that area. So if you've watched some of my videos, I have worked with Rex before, like in my first ball bouncing animation and a couple of my other videos. So in those, I always like set it equal to uh, a rect so I can access easy things. However, I just want the whole display to be updated, so I just, use this interchangeably. But if I want a part of it to be changed, I will use update. You can also pass surfaces to display.update. You can pass surfaces to that. But if you give a surface as an argument, it will only update that surface. So it can be faster depending on how many surfaces you give it and the width and the height of that surface. Because if you pass in one like relatively small surface compared to your entire screen, pygame.display.update will be faster than pygame.display.flip. It might not be noticeable, but it will still be there. It's gonna be by, a couple of milliseconds, but if it's like a huge game or something, those milliseconds really add up. But if you pass in a lot of surfaces, it might end up being slower than Flip itself. So, it just depends on the situation you're in and which one you should use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I, gave you some insight into when to use pygame.display.flip versus when to use pygame.display.update and like the similarities and differences. And later I'll be coming out with a video that digs deeper into both of these. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.